Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a realistic romantic couple formed by candle smoke using AI. As you can see, you can use these images for so many things, perhaps in a video format, using it to pass message about marriages or about how to live a life as a married couple, or in an infographics format, a wallpaper on your phone, or even print it out as a frame. So as you can see now in this video, without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Now you go to your phone, you go to Google Chrome, you type Bing Image Creator. As you can see, I've typed it, Bing Image Creator. Now it loads. Then click on the first website, www.bing.com. Wow, now I'm in already. But if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. You have to register with your email so we can register with them. Now let's start. Create a realistic, that's our prompt, a realistic depiction of a romantic couple formed by candle smoke. The lovers emerge above the candle amidst the smoke. The image is highly accurate and looks lifelike. Then one hand holding the candle, and the details are visible. The background is dark and mysterious. The mysterious tone background with a beautiful flame. Now create. Wow, that's good. We have 4 pictures. Let us check it one by one. Check the lovely images. As you can see, this is the first one. Whoa, love it. Look at the flame. Look at the couple. Wow, looks real, looks lovely. Like the candle, the lights, the hand trying to kind of, maybe it's a match or something like that. Then if you want to download it, you can click the 3 dots there, then click on download. That if you like the picture, you can download it. Let's check the other one too as well. Wow, this is lovely. This is another one too as well. Let's just check another one too to see how lovely they are, the images. Wow, look at this too. This is another design by AI. Wow, this is lovely. It's lovely. Love that candle smoke. Yeah, another one. Let's check one more. Wow, love this. Wow, you can use it to do many things, maybe create it as a wallpaper or for so many things. Now let us tweak the prompt a little bit. Let us change 1 or 2 things, or add 1 or 2 things to the prompt. Let us type something, maybe like a art, yeah, formed by candle smoke, like a art. Then click create. So let us make the smoke in the art form. If you like this video, kindly click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Then also click on it again, then click on all to get all notifications. Now let us continue. Wow, that's it. That's good. Look at the smoke on the love kind of art format. Wow, like this, like the design. Look at the couple in the middle. Look at the candle. Look at the smoke in the art form. Let us check another one too as well. Wow, look at these two. Lovely. I love this. Let's check another one too as well. Let us see, it's still loading. Wow, look, the sparkles. I really love these. Like, look at the gown. Wow, look at the smoke. Really nice. I like nice. Like, I really like this. So as you can see, that's how to create it. Let's check one more. Let's check one more. Whoa, wow, their intimate here. Look at them kissing. Wow, lovely. Love that too as well. Love that. So now let's go to the other one, the one we created first. So these are the ones we created first. I really like this image. Love this. So we can download it by clicking the 3 dots, then click on download. So this is how to create a romantic couple formed by candle smoke. If you like this video, kindly click the subscribe button below and click the like button too as well. You can also comment on what you think about this video and also share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.